So, girls, in second stanza, the readers are introduced to the cowardice of Custard, as he was not brave. Okay, now stanza 3, Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth and spikes on top of him and scales underneath, mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, and realio trulio daggers on his toes. So, spikes that you can see the sharp pointed structure on the body in the image you can see, and dagger, that is a small sword, children. Okay, so in this stanza the description of Custard's physical appearance is given, and it seems quite surprising to the readers, as it has been shown as carrying all the features of a dragon that makes dragons powerful, scary, and brave. He had big sharp teeth, spikes on its back that could easily scare anyone away. Okay, Custard has the ability to spit fire. Then his nose becomes the chimney through which the smoke comes out from the fire in his mouth. His toes are so pointed and sharp that they could cut anything like a dagger. Okay, then stanza 4. Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears, and Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. Mustard was as brave as a tiger in a rage. Rage, anger. Okay, but Custard cried for a nice safe cage. Okay, so all the members of the house, as I have already said, except Custard, they all are very brave. Belinda's bravery has been compared to bravery of many bears combined together. Ink and Blink, despite of being so small in size, they have the power to scare and chase away someone as strong as a lion. Okay, Dog's bravery has been compared to that of a tiger's anger, but Custard, completely opposite to his physical description. And he is so scared that he always looks for a nice safe cage, children. I hope you all are following me, children. Now, if I ask you children to just identify the rhyme scheme of the poem, hurry up please. Just identify the rhyme scheme. Stanza 1, house, which rhymes with mouse, then wagon with dragon. Stanza 2, ink, that rhymes with blink. Mustard, that rhymes with custard. So children, I hope you all have found out the rhyme scheme. It is AABB. Okay, please write down the rhyme scheme. AABB. Okay, now another thing children, can you just tell me the poetic devices? We have done 4 stanzas. Okay, so like simile is there. Simile, you know, when the comparison is made between two words using like or as. So mouth has been compared to a fireplace. So simile. Okay, then Belinda. Okay, in fourth stanza you can see Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears. That is simile, children. Okay, so please note down these poetic devices also.